Good evening, professor and classmates. At first, I want to talk about a little bit my prior knowledge. So, I have here that the majority of the professors have in mind planning their class. So, it's an important tool that they have in hand because it gives a better organization for the class, and then the students feel comfortable, more interested about their home learning process, and they perhaps will feel free to learn as fast as they can do it. The professors must be responsible with their lesson planning. So, about the two chapters, there are several things that they catch my attention. And coming up, I am going to talk about some of them. They are the following. The first one is the principles of the learning and planning process. So it's interesting how the professor has to analyze how to do with the representation of all the factors that are inside that point. So it refers about the way how the professor can do for the activities for the students, but with coherence according to the objectives that are needed to overcome and get the better results what the professor has to put in the target. Um, so I also want to add the element of the cultural beliefs in the learning process of each different students according to the way what they have for learning in the lessons. So this is an important point because the professor has to be aware and totally certain when he or she wants to start doing his or her lesson planning for the benefit of the students and for the good organizations for improves a better understanding for the language learning. In this case, we are referred when we are going to learn another language. This is important that the professor feels free to open his or her mind when we are talking about the good mood. So it means to improve the same equal opportunities for the students in the classroom and at the same time try to feel free to congratulate all the students for the development of good ideas and things like that. So if something refers has a motivation to improve a better job for the professor in the class. And professor, both chapters are interesting, but I have a doubt and I'm going to ask the following question. What is the main point or function given by the contingency plan? Thank you very much.